Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for joining our menu management webinar today. And in the meantime, we'll be spending a couple more minutes to wait for other partners to join. And while we're waiting, you're most welcome to scan the QR code on the left bottom corner to visit the foodpanda restaurant portal. Okay, hello. Again, welcome everyone. Thank you for joining our webinar today. Today we'll be talking about what's on the menu, about menu management. It will be a basic webinar. And let's go ahead into the webinar. So before we begin, if you have any feedback, there's a short survey that will be sent to you at the end of the session. And if you have a question, you may submit it in the chat at any point of time, and we'll be handling it in the Q&A session. And at last, if you're interested in knowing more, please head over to University plugin in Restaurant Portal to know more tips and tricks. In today's agenda, we'll be looking into how to use a simple menu to have countless orders. We'll be talking about importance of menu management, basic terminology and guidance, how to organize your menu, common mistakes, and how to be more efficient. So let's move on to importance of menu management. So based on our research, 90% of rejected customers do not reorder, once bitten, twice shy. And easy reading is a key. It leads to easy ordering and happy customers. And at last, we eat with our eyes first. Customers always want the first thing they see on the menu. So let's get started. So the basics is to have listing photos and banner photos, categories, and menu features. What is a banner photo? Banner photo is a photo of multiple dishes of the restaurant signature dish that appears as a banner image on a restaurant portal, a restaurant profile in foodpanda. I beg your pardon. Whereas listing photo is the photo that you see when the customers are browsing foodpanda. What is a category? Category is a group of similar items together so customers can navigate your menu easily. And of course, there is respective category description as well. Item description gives the customers a clear expectation of your dish to increase appeal, and dish photo obviously shows your customer that what your dishes look like. Of course, you have the item name and also the variation, which shows the different options available for a particular item. For example, the different sizes of a drink. And here we have choice groups, choices, and the minimum maximum number of choices. In a choice group, there are modification options that customers can make, sometimes at a cost. And choices are the different options that they could choose to customize the dish. So here are some tips and tricks. You should have a list of all the items you'd like to include on foodpanda, categorize these items into groups, and have all your dish photos ready and name each photo accurately. So how to organize your menu? In menu management, you may organize your menu by the item description is category, pricing, and variation. So item creation. First, go to Restaurant Portal, toggle to Menu Management tool, click Add New on the top right corner, and select Item. Fill in the item name, description, and category accordingly. And if you've made a mistake, don't worry about it. You may click on an existing item on your menu and add it wherever necessary. Once you've confirmed, you may click Save in the top right corner. For pricing, select item details and scroll down to price and variations. Add the price for your new item. And for variation, click on Add Variation, fill in the variation description, and when you're done, click Save in the top right corner. So for the category, you may click on Add New, select category, fill in the category name, type, and description, and once done, click Save in the top right corner. You may also input items into the category by editing your item details. For dish photos, please click on Add New, select the item, and you may click on Upload Dish Photo, or you may also click into an existing item to upload the dish photo as well. Click the dish photo, crop the photo with the item in the center. Once done, click Save at the bottom right corner. So let's share with you some common mistakes. For example, dish photo taken from other sources are not allowed. Not submitting the actual menu photo for price change requests. And also, menu photo submitted does not contain the item or name or price that matches with your request. So it's recommended that you double check your request before submitting. If you've made a mistake, don't worry about it. What do you do if you have an unavailable item? You may select menu availability on your GoDroid device, toggle your desired menu category, select the item that's unavailable, and toggle the status accordingly to unavailable today or unavailable indefinitely. So here a note is that if it's unavailable today, it's just for today, and if it's unavailable indefinitely, it will be unavailable until you've toggled the status back to available. So how to be more efficient here? You may use the copy menu function, assign items, or use the GoDroid. So how do you copy menus? Here we can watch a short video about this.
Page, select outlet that contains the menus you would like to copy. Click on Copy to Outlets. Select the outlets that you would like to copy. Note that pending requests will not be copied. If you have a pending changes to copy to other outlets, please either wait for them to be approved or use the menu copy function again after the request. All menu items in these outlets will be fully replaced. Will be deleted. Change is permanent and cannot be undone. Select your outlets, click on Submit. Read the warning message carefully.
Cool. Now look at the next one. Please note here, pending menu requests will not be copied. All menu items in these outlets will be fully replaced. All offers in these outlets will be deleted, and changes are permanent and cannot be undone. How to assign items. In the menu management tool, select or create an item that you'd like to assign to another menu. In the menus field, select the menus you'd like to assign the item to, and then you may click Save in the top right corner. Quiz time. So let's have a look at what we have learned today. So this is a listing or banner photo. Would we approve or reject this photo? Okay, the answer is we'll approve the photo because this shows the restaurant's offerings at a glance. Next one. Again, this is a request of the listing or banner photo. Would we approve or reject this photo? Okay, we'll reject the photo because the photo contains watermarks, logos, prices, borders, contact details, and or external links will be rejected. Here, you cannot have descriptions for categories. Is this true or false? It's false because you can have category descriptions, and it usually explains what the items in that category have in common. Thank you very much. And if you have any you would like more information on menu management, you may scan this QR code on the right and see the other guides as well. Cool. And at the same time, we can have a brief sneak peek into the next advanced webinar that we have, we'll be looking at the needs for visual and branding, make a good combo, and checking request status. If you have questions, we're here to help, and also you can scan on the left QR code as well. And here are also some useful links. We can access the restaurant portal, our university guides, which includes guides and videos for you to get started on your platform, and also some university YouTube videos that we have. So please do feel free to scan the QR codes on the right. And thank you very much, everyone, for joining our webinar today. And hope you have a nice day and see you at the next webinar. Thank you.